If you open your wardrobe right now, chances are you'll find at least one pair of denim jeans. They might be faded and worn, or crisp and brand new. But here's the surprising part. Those jeans have a story that stretches across centuries, travels through continents, and involves ships, miners, fashion icons, and even a bit of textile chemistry. From humble workwear to global style symbol, the journey of denim is one of invention, adaptation, and resilience. And it all starts with a fabric that was never really meant for fashion. Today, we'll step behind the seams, literally, to explore how denim jeans are made, the fascinating history behind them, and why this rugged cloth continues to define generations. Let's dive in. The word denim comes from the French phrase serge de Nîmes, meaning serge from Nîmes, a sturdy cotton twill woven in the city of Nîmes in southern France during the 17th century. But denim's closest cousin was Genoese cloth from Genoa, Italy, used for sailors' trousers because of its hard-wearing nature. Both fabrics shared a diagonal weave pattern, but the Genoese version was typically dyed blue with indigo. When the fabric crossed the Atlantic, it found a new purpose in 19th century America. Gold miners, cowboys, and railroad workers needed clothing that could endure brutal conditions. Enter Levi Strauss, a Bavarian immigrant and dry goods merchant who teamed up with tailor Jacob Davis in 1873. Davis had the idea of reinforcing pocket corners with copper rivets, creating the world's first pair of riveted work pants, later known as blue jeans. This combination of durable fabric and metal reinforcement transformed jeans from mere trousers into an industrial legend. Denim isn't just cotton cloth. It's woven in a distinctive twill weave, where the weft thread passes under two or more warp threads, forming that familiar diagonal ribbing. In classic denim, the warp threads are dyed indigo, while the weft threads remain white. That's why the inside of jeans looks lighter. Over time, friction causes the indigo to wear off the outer threads, creating those natural fades and whiskers we all love. Indigo dye is unusual. Unlike other dyes, it doesn't dissolve into the fiber. Instead, it coats the surface, bonding weakly. That's why every movement, every wash, slowly rubs away the blue, revealing a personalized pattern of wear. It all begins in cotton fields. Cotton plants produce soft white bolls, which are harvested, cleaned, and spun into yarn. For denim, the warp yarns are dyed using indigo dyeing, traditionally through rope dyeing, where hundreds of yarns are twisted into long ropes, dipped repeatedly into indigo vats, and oxidized in air between dips to build up the rich blue tone. Once dyed, the yarns are wound onto large beams and woven with undyed weft yarns on industrial looms. The twill pattern, typically a 3x1 weave, gives denim its durability and signature diagonal texture. The finished fabric is then washed, inspected, and rolled into giant bolts ready for the next stage, cutting and sewing. At the garment factory, those heavy rolls of denim are stacked in layers. Pattern makers design each panel, legs, pockets, waistbands, digitally or by hand. Automated cutting machines slice through multiple layers with precision to reduce waste. Sewing denim demands heavy-duty machines and specialized needles. Key construction features include top stitching with thick thread for strength and contrast, bar tacks on stress points like pocket corners, rivets for extra reinforcement, a zipper or button fly for closure. Each component is stitched in a specific sequence to ensure both durability and comfort. the reason a well-made pair of jeans can last for years. Raw denim straight from the machine is stiff and dark. To make it comfortable and stylish, jeans go through finishing. Common methods include stonewashing, tumbling with pumice stones to soften and fade, enzyme washing, using natural enzymes to gently break down fibers for a vintage look, sandblasting or hand sanding to mimic natural wear, laser finishing, a modern, eco-friendly way to create fade patterns without water or chemicals. After finishing, jeans are trimmed, labeled, and pressed. Leather patches, metal buttons, and branded tags are added. Each pair is inspected to ensure every seam, rivet, and stitch meets quality standards before packaging. Today, denim jeans are worn across every continent and culture, from streetwear to luxury fashion. Once workwear for laborers, they've become symbols of self-expression and style. In the 1950s, stars like James Dean and Marlon Brando turned jeans into icons of youthful rebellion. Later, designers elevated denim to high fashion, from Calvin Klein in the 80s to couture houses today. But denim's popularity has environmental costs. Indigo dyeing and washing processes consume huge amounts of water and chemicals. To counter this, many brands are adopting sustainable solutions, using natural or bio-based indigo, recycling water in dyeing and finishing, switching to laser fading and ozone treatments, promoting organic and recycled cotton. These innovations are reshaping the industry to make denim more planet-friendly. The next chapter of denim blends tradition with technology. Expect to see more eco-fabrics, AI-optimized pattern cutting, and on-demand digital manufacturing that reduces waste. Some companies are even experimenting with biodegradable stretch fibers and denim made from recycled jeans, giving old denim new life. Customization is also on the rise, bringing denim back to its roots, made for the individual, not the mass market. Whatever the trend, one thing's certain: denim's adaptability will keep it woven into the fabric of our lives for generations to come. So next time you pull on a pair of jeans, remember, you're wearing centuries of history. From the looms of Nîmes and Genoa to the gold fields of California and the high-tech factories of today, denim has never stopped evolving. Dyed in ancient vats, stitched with industrial precision, and worn by miners, rebels, supermodels, and dreamers, denim tells a story of resilience, craft, and culture. If you enjoyed uncovering the surprising history behind this everyday item, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Simple Things, Surprising Histories. And tell me in the comments, how do you wear your denim?